Okay, a final video tonight, and then I'm gonna quit for the night. It's getting kind of late. And a final sort of thing before we get into Zeki Muren. I'll leave that for tomorrow. Basically, I want to draw your attention to this word here, tarab, which means ecstasy. Um, when you take music that can modulate so carefully to emotional um, states, so people are feeling are feeling having all kinds of feelings based on the music that they're hearing and the music they're producing. Um, and when you have this very close relationship between the singer and the instrumentalist, the singer is pushing the instrumentalist to do something, and the instruments are pushing the singer back, and then all the musicians together are pushing against the audience and the audience back. This is tailor made for live performance. It's really hard to understand it when we just listen on the video here. But I'm going to show a clip of Kulsum, who is a great Egyptian singer, doing her huge classic, and you'll hear you'll hear a lot of back and forth between her and the band. She and between the musicians and the audience. So she would push the band, and they would push back. They were a great a group of virtuoso musicians. This is back in the 60s. You watch a whole movie about Kulsum, don't worry about it, next week. But for now, we can say the audience loved her, and she loved them back. And she would sing a sequence. This is poetry that's had music written to it. And so she would sing a line, and the line is, according to the score, is supposed to follow a certain sequence, and modulate in a certain way from one maqam to another. And she would play with that. So she would start out following the score, and then she would depart from it. And they would just go crazy because they know the songs and they know what she's supposed to be singing. They see what she's singing instead, which is evoking different emotions. And so they would respond, and then she would respond and change it again, and then they'd scream until she did it a third time. And sometimes, the song is supposed to take 25 minutes, and she would sing it. It'd take an hour for her to get through it because she kept repeating these lines. So anyway, here's just a one of her songs. Hold on, where is it? There it is. Inta Omri. Okay, we're just getting ready for her to start singing. So what you'll also hear in her singing is she could break her voice on demand, and so she starts to sing, and she'll start choking up with emotion. I mean, it's a performance, but she's really feeling it because she's that's what she does, and she's emoting. But you can hear her voice. Just the quality of the voice is incredible.
علمونا ندم على الماضي وجراحه اللي شفته قبل ما تشوفك عينيا عمري ضايع يحسبوه ازاي عليا اللي شفته قبل ما تشوفك عينيا عمري ضايع يحسبوه ازاي عليا اللي شفته ازاي عليا اللي شفته قبل ما تشوفك عينيا عمري ضايع يحسبوه ازاي عليا انت عمري انت عمري اللي نورك صباح اللي ابتدى بنورك صباح انت عمري.
Okay. Whew. Goodness, that's so emotionally fraught, just incredible. Everyone is just fired up. The audience is. She would have these Thursday night. Thursday night is sort of the weekend, sort of like Friday night in the Christian countries. Thursday night because Friday's a day of prayer. So Thursday night she would have these concerts, and Nasser, the Egyptian, this is back in the 60s, had these huge radio towers set up. And so they blast these concerts across the entire Middle East, and wars would stop. People would stop fighting because it's Thursday night at 7 and time to turn on the radio and listen to Kulthum. Uh, and of course, you can see they're just screaming until she does it a second time, and a third time, and a fourth time. She's got to work through all these different tetrachords and maqams. Okay, whew. Let's just put off Zeki Moran until tomorrow. I've got some videos, and we can talk about that, and Orhan Genshebeh, and then we'll be done for the week. All righty, thanks a lot.